If you are looking to recover your Cash App account, here's a breakdown of the steps and key information. 1. Account recovery within the app. If you're unable to log in, the app itself provides a recovery process. Log out. First, log out of any current account to get to the main login screen. Find help. Look for an option like, I need help logging in. Identify yourself. Cash App will prompt you to verify your identity. This is usually done by entering the phone number or email address associated with your account. Follow the prompts. Complete the steps to confirm and verify your account. 2. If you've lost access to your phone or email, if you no longer have access to the phone number or email address linked to your Cash App account, you'll need to contact support directly. The best way to do this is through the Cash app or their website. 3. Contacting Cash App support. For more serious issues, such as a closed account, or if you can't access your account through the recovery steps, you will need to contact Cash App support. Through the app. This is generally the recommended method. Tap the profile icon on your Cash App home screen, select support, and then start a chat. By phone, you can call Cash App support at 1-800-969-1940. Please note that a Cash App representative will never ask for your password, PIN, social security number, or full debit card number. On the website, visit the official Cash App support page at cashlinkto.app/help and look for the contact options. 4. If your account was closed. If your account was closed due to a violation of the terms of service and you believe this was a mistake, you can appeal the decision. You'll need to contact support through the app to start the review process. Be aware that this review may take up to 30 days. Important security reminders. Beware of scams. Be extremely cautious of websites or generators that claim to give you free money or help you recover your account instantly. These are almost always scams designed to steal your personal information and account details. Cash App's only phone number. The only official phone number for Cash App support is 1-800-969-1940. Do not trust other numbers you may find online. Protect your information. Never share your password, PIN, or other sensitive information with anyone, including a person claiming to be a Cash App representative.